Hello viewers. I am Vilo, the agent of artifice. I bring you knowledge. In this video in particular we will be taking the application that we've been working for the past 2.5 weeks in Blazor, and almost a whole month if we count React and Bolero, and putting it out for everybody to see. It will be a static web app, meaning any number of people will be able to try it out in the browser, in contrast to the Leduc project, which is limited to a few users at a time. Today's video shouldn't be a complicated one by any means. It might even be short. We'll just pop into Writer, try publishing the app and see where that gets us. Let us freeze the frame. Master asked this question almost 6 hours ago, and after headbanging for all this time, the answer is only if you buy a domain from a domain registrar. We've looked extensively, but there aren't any free ones. Providers like .tk and Freenom don't work for us at the moment, and all the others only offer free domain names along with paid services. We looked for free domains, and just got baited into buying premium products, wasting our time. If you wanted to, you could buy one for $12 per year from Azure and assign that to the static web app. If you want our advice, just do that. Don't waste your time looking around like we have. We feel cheated. Had we known, we'd have gone with publishing Helix as a web app. We know that $12 per year isn't much, but we don't want to spend money to keep an application up that will be running locally anyway. We'll cover buying a domain name and assigning it to a static web app in some later video. We regret not being able to locate a free provider so we can show it to you. But well, that's life. Who knows how long our life of poverty will last? If you want to help out, leave a like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll go back to compilation. What we want to work on is putting some more useful functionality into Helix. Instead of just going over the file and outputting the result right there in the compilation, it would be better if it converted the nodes into a HTML file and bundled them along with the images into a zip file. Once we do that, we will have something we could use to create the future installments of our web novel series. What does fate hold in store for us? Stay tuned to find that out.